Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be teaching how to make fried eggs. My recipe: I have eggs, raw eggs, water, salt and pepper. You can use black pepper or fresh pepper. I'll be adding my salt, and after that I'll add my pepper. You can add any quantity of pepper. Then I'll add my Maggi, just a little bit, but it's optional. You can add, you cannot add your Maggi. The salt is enough, but I just like adding my Maggi so that it will bring out the taste of the salt. I'll add my water. The reason why I added my water is for the egg to get swollen, and then I want the egg to rise. That's why I added it. So I'll add a little quantity of groundnut oil at the frying pan. I'll allow it to get hot, and then I'll add my egg. When I add my egg, I will use my spoon to adjust and make sure the whole egg is done, because you can't eat half done egg with the spices in it. So I'll fry my egg, I'll turn it, I'll make sure it's coming out and my egg is ready. I'll serve and eat. You can use my fried yam to eat it. So I want you to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching our channel. See you next time in our next video. Thank you and bye.